Hello and thank you for taking a look at the video. Today we're going to be doing a teardown on the Asus Memo 7 LTE. It's a model number ME375CL. So first off, we're going to go ahead and remove the back cover. I'm going to get my pry tool in between the bezel there and that back cover and just work my way around the tablet. Now with the back cover off, we can take a look at the internal parts on this tablet. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery. Oh, there's clips on each side of that battery connector. You can just pop those up to disconnect the battery. Looks like there's quite a bit of tape around here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the different pieces of tape that are holding the battery in place, or some cables are being held in place as well here. We'll get those removed. Anytime you're going to be removing tape from a cable, you're going to hold that cable down as you remove the tape so you don't damage it. I'll go ahead and disconnect this flex cable leading down to the daughter board. Just push up on the white tabs there, they're holding it in place. Cable comes right out. Next I'm going to remove this black and white coax cable. With everything out of the way, I'm going to remove the battery now. The battery does look like it's held in place by some adhesive running down the sides. You can see that adhesive right there. Battery out, still in good condition. I took my time working around the edges of that battery and make sure not damage it. All the screws on this tablet can be removed using a small Phillips. I'm going to go ahead and start to remove this daughter board down here. It's like 4 screws holding in place. It's not going to want to pop up. Maybe adhesive underneath this board. Disconnect the speaker cable first. Go ahead and stick my pry tool under there and just separate the adhesive from the bottom of this board. I'm going to remove the bottom loudspeaker, just one screw holding it in place. No adhesive, it's going to come right out. We start working on the top here of the tablet, working around the motherboard. Actually, I'm going to leave that coax cable in place. I was going to take it out, but it can stay on the board. Remove this volume flex cable here. Disconnect the digitizer flex cable from the motherboard. I disconnect this top loudspeaker and then unscrew it first. Get it out so I can disconnect it from the board. Go ahead and remove all the screws holding the motherboard in place now. Board should pop out. Oh, forgot to disconnect the LCD cable. That would be helpful. Voila, there's the motherboard. And if you wanted to remove the rear facing camera, there's just a clip right there. You can unclip it and pull that camera out. I'm going to leave that in this board. Remove that pesky LCD flex cable. Unclip it and it'll pull right out. I'm going to go ahead and remove this shield heatsink here. Just work my way around the perimeter of it. Alright, with that off, there's no screws, there shouldn't be anything else holding the LCD in place. It'll come right out. Nothing less to do on this one. Alright, so this tablet has been parted out. I hope it was helpful. Assistance to you if you're doing a repair at home. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks again for watching my video.